Welcome to our tutorial on how to import contacts from another account on Gmail using your PC. Let's go through the step-by-step process. First, open your web browser and navigate to gmail.com. Sign in with the Gmail account that contains the contacts you wish to export. Next, locate the top right corner of the Gmail interface and click on the 9 dots icon to access Google Apps. From there, click on Google Contacts. Within Google Contacts, click on Export at the top right corner. Select the contacts you want to export and choose Google CSV, then click Export. After exporting the contacts, click on your profile picture at the top right and select Sign Out to log out of the current account. Now, go to Google Contacts and sign in with the other Gmail account where you want to import the contacts. In Google Contacts of the new account, click on Import Download, then select File to choose the exported contact file. Select the file and click Import to add the contacts from the previous account to your new Gmail account. By following these steps, you can seamlessly transfer contacts from one Gmail account to another, ensuring all your contact information is consolidated in one place. Thank you for watching our tutorial on importing contacts from another account on Gmail. Stay tuned for more helpful tips and tricks to enhance your email management experience.